Hello everyone, this is Mr. B. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we'll be making chicken stock. Let's get started. The first step is placing the chicken bones in a pot and covering it with cold water, enough to cover the bones. This will take about 30 minutes in an Instant Pot. Once it comes to a boil, bring it down to a simmer and start skimming the scum off the stock. This is to ensure that the stock is clear and prevent it from containing excess fat. Once you've skimmed the stock a few times, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients into the pot. As you can see, I've got all the ingredients ready to go. The first ingredients we'll put in the pot are the chopped onions. Then the carrots. After that, the celeries. Then we put in the thyme, the ginger, the garlic, and the bay leaves. Lastly, we put in whole black peppercorns and a couple of pinches of kosher salts. In the meantime, if you're liking this video, please make sure to like and comment below and consider subscribing. Once all the ingredients are in the pot, place the lid on the Instant Pot and set it on slow cook, venting for 4 hours. After 4 hours, have your container ready with a fine strainer and a cheesecloth if you have it. In this case, I don't have any on hand, so I'm just using 2 fine strainers. Continue ladling the stock into the bowl or container of your choice through the fine strainer until you've gotten all the stock out of the pot. Once you've gotten all that golden goodness, it's important to cool it down quickly by putting it into the fridge, covered partially. And we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am looking forward to seeing you again on my next video.